Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you a major error which we are facing while we are converting our UI file into a Python file. It says an unexpected error has occurred. Check that you are using the latest version of Pyuic5 blah blah blah, your version of Pyuic5 which causes the error. Just rerun the program with a -d flag so you can get a list of errors which you are currently facing. Here you can see that it says on the last line, it says a key error qt orientation horizontal, and here it says a trace back most recent calls, and you don't want to check everything. Just if you saw that the key error says the orientation horizontal is the problem, so I go take my original file which is located on my desktop which says the new form.ui, and I go right click and click on open with code, and then we go search for horizontal. We go search for horizontal, and here it says orientation horizontal. We'll go and trust this worksheet, and you can see that the problem is exactly happening on this line. So we need to remove this orientation line and save the file with Ctrl S, and then we'll close the file. Then we rerun the same code without the D flag. Now it's working. So you can see we have the new pt python file. When I open it, then yeah, everything works fine. When I play this file, then we go run the file, you can see that the window appears. Right, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe our channel for more videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.